Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a very powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account, okay? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a very powerful volatility index strategy that you can use to grow your small account, okay? When I mean powerful, I mean this strategy is a very good strategy, guys. Don't doubt me, this is a profitable strategy, okay? So I'm going to be explaining how the strategy works and the conditions you need to observe before you take an entry with this strategy. All right, so before we go into that, let me quickly share with you guys the setup. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do here is to click on this icon here, this one right here. So after clicking on that, we only have one indicator. Okay, it's a very simple strategy to set up. Now you click on this icon and then you search for stochastic oscillator. Right, so these are the settings. Right, so you make sure you set everything same as this. Okay, make sure everything is the same as this. The K period is 5, D period is 3, slowing is 3, price field low high, method is simple. Okay, and then under the style you can see the main is 2 pixel, color is green, signal is 2 pixel, color is red, and for the levels you are going to be setting it to 80 and 20. All right, just like as you can see here. And for the pixel you make it 2, you make the color black. All right, so after that you go back and you click on save. That is all for the setup. Okay, so now let me explain how the strategy works. One thing you need to know about this strategy is that this is a divergent strategy. Alright, this strategy is based on divergence. Okay, so and secondly, it's a trend following strategy. Okay, with this strategy you are meant to follow the trend of the market. Okay, so whenever you observe or you do your analysis from the higher time frame and you have confirmed that you are in an uptrend, then all the entry you should be taking is going to be buy entries. And if you do your analysis and you confirm that you are in a downtrend, all the entry you are going to be taking is going to be sell trades only. Okay, those are the things you need to know. Now let's say for example, now you see this here is an uptrend, market is going up. Okay, so you found the market in this kind of state, see that it's going up. Now what you do, let's bring out our tool. Okay, so now from here to this area, you see that the market is going up, right? See that the market is going up, right? Making higher highs and higher lows, right? So now, after observing this, you check your indicator window. Now the indicator window is where the magic happens. Okay. On your indicator window, you want to see that the indicators are disagreeing with price. Okay, now you see here on the main chart, market is going up, right? Now you can see on the indicator window, this right here came down. All right, instead of going up, it came down to touch the 20 level. That is to show you that it's in the disagreement with price. Okay, so now whenever you observe that price is going up and this is going down, then that is where you look for your entry. Right, now you see here, now price was going down. You can see the disagreement, right? On the main chart you can see the arrow pointing up, and on the indicator window you can see that the arrow is pointing down. That is to tell you that main chart and the indicator window are in disagreement, and that is what we call divergence. Okay, both the indicator and price are going in different direction, right? So once you see this, you take the opportunity and you look for buy entries. All right, so now you see that the price, the indicator window here got to the 20 level. So here you are going to be looking for buy opportunity, right? So now immediately it gets to this area, you see that the two, when you see that the two are in disagreement, you wait for this to get to the 20 level. All right, now you see that on the main chart price is making higher highs, right? Let me use this too. You see that price is making higher highs, going up, coming down, going up, right? No candlestick has come to break below this structure here. All right, now on the indicator window you see that it's making higher high also here, but you see that now price, this indicator now came to break below this recent structure here. It breaks below it. All right, so once you see that happen, what you want to do is to wait for it to get to the 20 level, right? Once it gets to the 20 level, you look for buy entry, right? Is either you wait for this stochastic oscillator green line here to cross above the red, and then you execute your buy entry, or you can look for a candlestick pattern here. All right, look for a candlestick pattern and then use that to take your entry. All right, so this is how simple the strategy is. Okay, so if you don't understand what I'm saying, then just be patient. I'm going to be showing you guys another example. Okay, so this is that is how the strategy is. Okay, that is how it is. Okay, so let's look for more examples, guys. So you can see here is another example. You can see the price here is in a downtrend, going down, and price is making lower lows. All right, now you see that it made this lower low here. All right, now you see that no candlestick has broken above this structure. All right, no candlestick has broken above that, but here on the indicator window, you see that now you can see these are the this is where that structure happened. All right, but on the indicator window, the structure here was broken above, right? The indicators here cross above this area. All right, so that is to say that divergence has occurred and they are both in disagreement. Okay, you can see both are facing different direction. This one is facing down, this one is facing down, and this one is going up. All right, they are in disagreement. Okay, so that is to tell you that divergence has occurred. All right, so what you do now is to look for sell opportunity, and as you can see, it occurred in the 80 level here. Right, so that is the perfect opportunity for you to take your sell entry. Right, so you can see a perfect candlestick pattern here. So once you see something like this is a perfect entry condition for you. All right, so you take your sell from that area, okay, and then you ride it to the downside, right? All right, so here is another example again. All right, so you can see here this one is going up, and here this one is coming down, and it happens at the 20 level, which is the oversold level. So now once you see that it came down to this point, and you see it on the indicator window is at the 20 level, what you should do is to look for your buy entry. All right, either you wait for the green to cross above, or you wait for a candlestick pattern. So the best way to set TP for this kind of entry is the most recent structure, okay, which is going to be at this area. Let's say you take your entry from this area here, your TP is going to be at this place, okay? And and trust me, most of the time your TP is going to be hit, okay, with this strategy. As you can see, it's a trend following strategy. You are in direction with the trend, so you should be rest assured that your TP must be hit, okay? So I think that is going to be all for this one, guys, okay? So all I want you guys to do now is to backtest the strategy for yourself, okay? Go and backtest the strategy for yourself. It's a very powerful strategy, a very good strategy for you to grow your small account, okay? So don't just take my words for it, okay? Make sure you backtest the strategy and see how it's working for yourself, and then after that you can go in with your real money and start making money, okay? So for the zoom level, you zoom out completely and then you zoom in you zoom out completely. This is the first zoom level, and then you zoom in again. This is the second zoom level, this is the third zoom level, okay? Right, so you zoom out completely and then you zoom in twice, 1 2, okay? So I think this is going to be where I will end the video. For those of you who have watched this extent and you have not yet subscribed, please make sure you do that. Subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you'll get notified immediately, okay? So I think this is going to be me telling you guys goodbye. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Silver out.